I can't do it. I can't. Wait, don't do anything. That's it. That's all I can do. Hey, I beat Sam.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I just did. Until you can do a louder one, I just beat you.
Okay. Let's just see about that. Oh, I just beat you. Yeah.
It's not as loud as your other ones have been, though. I consider that pretty weak. That's good for me. Ugh, I hate it.
Oh, I feel one coming. Right.
I wish you would do the really loud ones. The ones
house
that make,
shakers?
Yeah, the house shaker. Those are the funniest ones ever. Those are the ones.
I did one to Princess.
I know. I made a new video because others have been too long. Ew! Corn dog in your mouth. It's not gonna work out well. Chunks might fly out all over Princess. And then you're gonna be like, bleh, really loud. Chunks came out. Did you guys see them? Did you see them?
Nothing came out.
I know. If they did, they would have been on my face. Because you're gonna, oh god. Oh, say goodbye. One last burp.